Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Jokers of T Street. In this video today, we are going to tell the market sentiment for tomorrow's trade, the range for tomorrow's trade, and the possible candlestick that Nifty may form tomorrow during trade. So let's start from today's analysis. Nifty opened at 11,452.15 today, closed at 11,408.4, which was higher than previous day's close. And today's high was 11,460.35 and low was 11,394.1. Nifty was mostly range bound today, and the resistance on the upside remains at 11,500, which is psychological, and 11,525, which is a technical resistance. On the downside, support is placed at 11,350 level and 11,300 level. Based on today's trade, what we feel tomorrow's range should be 11,350 to 11,500. If Nifty breaches any of this level convincingly, then a directional move can be possible. Market sentiment remains bullish as of now. Tomorrow is Nifty and Bank Nifty's weekly contract expiry, so let's study the option chart here. So most of the contracts on the call option is placed at 11,500 level. Almost 35.73 lakh contracts is placed there, so that will act as a crucial resistance level for tomorrow's trade. And on the put option chart, 11,300 strike price contains 37 lakh contracts, so that will act as a support for tomorrow's trade. So Nifty, based on the option chart, Nifty is likely to remain between 11,300 to 11,500, whereas our range, we think that Nifty should remain within 11,350 to 11,500. So now let's see what kind of candle Nifty may form tomorrow. If Nifty opens anywhere between 11,425 and 11,350, it is likely to form a hammer pattern on the daily chart with a high of 11,430 and a low of 11,350. The way Nifty traded today and Bank Nifty traded today, we don't think there will be a major move tomorrow. So you are advised not to trade on index tomorrow, because the volatility will be quite less. So the second scenario, where if Nifty opens above 11,430 level, then it may test 11,500 level on the upside, and on the downside it will test 11,400 level, forming a bullish candle on the daily chart. And it is unlikely to breach tomorrow 11,500. On the third case, if Nifty opens below 11,350, then it may not breach 11,400 on the upside and will form a spinning candle on the daily chart with a low of 11,300. We don't expect a bearish candle tomorrow because Nifty's sentiment remains bullish as of now. So that's all for today. If you have watched our video and liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any comments, please post it on the comment section. Thanks for watching.